Hi, I'm Jamie. This is
I'm
Julie.
Julie. We're here to share with you our next giveaway, which is Tea Time with Miss Bates. And for this giveaway, we have this beautiful antique bone china teacup and saucer made in England. We have chamomile with lavender tea.
Herbal tea, for
Herbal
those
tea.
of you who don't drink regular tea.
Some yummy honey sticks. This is vanilla
Honey.
and wildflower honey. Tea with Jane Austen cookbook. So you can make all those yummy recipes that you want to serve to your next tea party or afternoon with your girlfriend.
And this is a really great. Some cookbooks are sort of unofficial or whatever. Obviously, this is unofficial too because Jane Austen didn't approve it herself. But it is all the recipes are derived from actual cookbooks that she could have had in her own kitchen. So
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so you could really be cooking like Jane Austen, except you won't have to use like
the wood oven.
The wood oven, yeah. So it'll be even better. So this is our giveaway for this week. All of this can be yours. Enter to win by liking our page, following us on Instagram,
Subscribing,
share with your friends.
yeah, and like we said in the other video, if you want to share with your friends and just let us know and say, hey, I told 5 people at church or 5 people at my Rotary Club or
At the swimming pool.
at the swimming pool. I don't even know what a Rotary Club is.
I don't either. Sewing club. Maybe sewing club.
All right. So yeah.
Then you'll be entered to win.
Yeah,
And
just
hopefully
let
win
us
this.
know. Get the word out.
Yeah.
And because we want to see as many people there as
We want to see all of you, definitely.
and we want everybody to get to experience these amazing grounds because
Wadley Farms is amazing.
yeah,
You'll
it's
feel
absolutely
like
beautiful.
you've been transported, like just out of the world, a retreat from the world, with other great women and men, I guess.
Yeah. All right. So hope to see you then, and good luck on entering this contest, and we hope you win. We're making
Hi.
sure that we don't have double chins.
I have to poke mine out quite a bit to make sure of that. I just have a very small chin, you know? Like, there's not a lot of space there. Now I'm getting older.
Do the stretch. Okay.